Yes guys, welcome to the channel. On this video we're going to see the main man, Mr. Talbot. We've got to go do a little wiring up job on his monster truck. And the best bit is, we're going to have to fire it up, so you're going to hear the noise of the beast. So we'll get this bad boy fired up, we'll head over to him, and we'll catch you when we get there.
Louder then, Kev, the anti-lag on that beast, or that beast. Wait, pull over. That beast in there, look at it, massive. Which one's louder?
I reckon maybe that on the anti-lag when you're up behind it.
But that on tick over.
That's louder than that on tick over.
Yeah.
But that when you floor it, I don't know.
This thing, absolutely deafening. And the vapour hurts your eyes. Don't worry about your eardrums, it's the vapour in your eyes.
What's the yellow light mean on the rock?
Well, that should go off in a minute. It's just gone up.
Concentration!
Stop. Something not right. It's rising.
It's gone up a bit. That was about 10 psi there.
That was more than it was last time.
You should be alright starting now. At least you've got oil pressure there and it's not seized.
Oh, right.
Mine might crank it on mine. Have you had the oil heater on for a long time?
We're about an hour.
Yeah, it's just probably, it might be because the oil's quite thin at that temperature.
Yeah. Oh, right.
So if you just pour petrol in to start off with,
Yeah.
and give it a couple of chucks on that, and then you need to turn it on there.
Alright, let's do it while Tony's looking. Go on, hit the full throttle, Mr. Billy.
Full throttle, yeah? Full throttle down.
What are you doing there, mate?
Like, shot the throttle. Like, go.
Why did it feel like it moved?
Oh, why does it try and move? Is it natural, isn't it?
Worked. Looks like it.
Did the oil pressure come up there?
Oh, yes, it did.
Yeah, shot up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. So we're good. We haven't killed it.
It's alive!
So this time we need to put a bit of petrol in it and put our methanol on now.
Oh, no, we're going for the methanol, are we?
Yeah.
Well, I better turn the...
Turn that one on.
Turn that one on.
You've got to turn the other tap on underneath it here.
Well, so is he going to turn that tap on now? Is it neutral, really?
Yeah, well, it looks like it is. Neutral start.
I don't want to be stupid.
Just to be sure.
I'm going to stand on the chassis just in case.
Full throttle, Billy. Full throttle.
Do you want to pour petrol in again?
Yeah, full throttle.
From the fuel tank to the three-way valve, to the fuel pump, that was off.
Yeah.
Is that open now?
I pushed the fuel thing in, Billy.
What fuel thing? Oh,
That's it, pushed him in. Full throttle.
full throttle.
Petrol in. Petrol in.
Shut the end, shut the throttle. Follow it.
Damn, that's loud.
Nice hurt.
My ears hurt. That was louder than yours.
Oh my god, it's...
Come on, Billy.
Oh, the smell, man. That goes through your eyes, doesn't it?
What's that, Tony, you saying?
So to the taco link, you won't be able to crank it at like 60 psi when it's cold, it's a lot bigger, so you get more.
Get inside the monster truck, that's going to be fun and all. Where's the leather, Kev? I'm struggling already, just getting up there. Alright, we're in it. In Kev's baby.
So,
Right.
put the old isolator on, dude. Isolator on.
Isolator, that's that one.
Yeah, get him on.
Turn that one on.
And
we got the light.
ignition already.
We got the light.
Already on, right, cool.
Ignition's on.
Full throttle, that's starting when it's on full though.
Full throttle. Hold that there, Kevin put some petrol in there.
Shut throttle.
Throttle shut. Where's the start switch? Starter. Let the magic happen. Oh my god,
full throttle, you've got one.
Still a bit, though. Full throttle.
Shuffle.
Hit the starter.
Again.
Hit the starter again. That's all out. Ignition off. Kill switch off. Success, Sonny. We got taco! Yes! Can't believe Kevin let me sit in it and fire the beast up. Fucking dreams come true. Legend. And that thing there, nowhere near as loud as that thing there.